morning, Gianna.
Morning.
Okay, can I have a question?
Yeah.
What makes you get wet?
Rain. Water.
Okay. What makes you get burned?
Fire.
Fire. What makes you feel hot?
Sun.
Okay. What makes you feel cold?
Toe.
Snow. What makes you happy?
My toy. My hot tire.
Your toys and pacifier. What makes you feel sad?
What?
Why?
I want to go work.
Oh, when we go to work. What makes you cry?
What? Go and work.
Okay. And what else? What makes you cry all the time?
What? Go work.
What else?
When work.
How about when mommy go to work?
My when work.
What else? What else makes you cry?
Oh. There, later.
What?
We're burn.
What makes your tummy full? Here is my burn. See?
Oh, dear, burn.
Yeah, burned.
Oh, dear. Dear, burn.
It's
I
burned.
like get burned.
Yeah, don't get... What will you do so you don't get burned?
I'm gonna get sweetie.
What?
Get sweetie.
You have to stay away from the stove. What else? What makes your tummy full?
Food.
Food. And what else?
Rice.
Rice. What else?
Rice. Hot.
Oh, I have a question. How does your daddy snore? Can you show me how does your daddy snore?
Me, me, me. Me, me.
How about you? Do you snore?
No.
How about mommy? Does mommy snore?
No.
How about your daddy? Your daddy snores?
Yeah.
How does your daddy snore again? Can you show me how?
Yes.
Okay. How does your daddy snore?
It's my mommy.
Okay, show me how your daddy snore and then we go upstairs. Come on. How does your daddy snore?
Me, me, me. Me, me, me.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe.
Subscribe.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, blow them a kiss. Mwah.